This does get annoying after some time.
He's just all this. He did it the weekend we moved in.
Yeah.
And Sandy went to take the truck back, and I said, okay, I've got to go and lie down on my mattress for like half an hour. I'm fucked. And I'm lying in there, and I hear that, and I thought, oh,
What
fuck,
the
that's
fuck?
the phone. I thought, we don't have.
Ghost phone. We have a bird phone.
And